Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have let's see, I'm gonna call it a design team unboxing from BB Craft. I did go ahead and undo like the package and cut through it because they package their stuff so well and they tape it and there's bubble wrap, and yeah, there would be so much crinkle loudness on video. But it's really great that they package it so well because nothing is messed up. You know, nothing is bent, nothing is, you don't have to worry about anything. It's really great. But I wanted to share with you what I picked out. So these are, and they came in their own very large, I think these are 8.5 by 11, and they are shrink plastic sheets. Well, let me try to, there we go, pull one out. I cannot wait to share the ideas I have for this. So this side is very shiny, as you can see, and this side, it's not rough. I don't know if you can hear that. You can see that it's like frosted looking. So yeah, there are 15 sheets in there. And then the next thing I received or I chose are these flower dies. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces in here, and it looks like it makes 2 different flowers. Actually, maybe 3, because you can always mix up the different light leaf designs. So that is one. I chose some eye pins here, and they've got their own little plastic bag. I can't remember how many was in it. I will have everything linked below, and when I do more videos, I will have more details on the project, on the items, sorry. And then this one's in another bag as well. This is lobster clasps and jump rings. I do remember that this one was 70 pieces. So it's got a little container. And I love that their items come in containers, so you don't have to buy your products and then go find a container to put them in. So you get all different size clasps in here, and then you've got some jump rings over here, the big ones, and they go down. So yeah, got jump rings. And then the other item are these, what do you call them? They're like glass globes. And so they've come in this little box. And then you've got these really pretty caps. And then this color gold, this kind. And what they are, see, look how great that's packaged. These glass bulbs, and you can mix them with your own, or fill them with your own little sequin mix or anything really. So you've got, that's the size, little hole. I use a small funnel or tweezers and put my little mix in there, and then I will choose the cap that I want, and I will glue it on top. And like I said, they have their own little containers, so that is awesome. And if you don't know about their program right now, they're having it's like a YouTube affiliate type program. And if you have over a certain number of subscribers on your YouTube channel, they like for you to pick some items to showcase for their company and show your video and share it with everyone. Like I said, the links to these products will be in the description box, and in the next few days, I'll be back with some project shares to show you some of the ideas I have for these items and how you can use them yourself. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.